Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am making this video in collaboration with the brand Totwoo, which provides innovative smart jewelry to help you connect with those that you love and that are dear to you, whether it's a long distance relationship that you have with someone across the country or even across the world, or even family members that may not be close to you. Even if they're a state away, or even if they're nearby and they just don't have time to message or call, and vice versa. If you don't have time to message or call them, at least you can connect with them in this way by just one little touch. So these are the bracelets that I chose, and they have a whole bunch of designs that you can pick from. I specifically chose the mountain and sea version. So this one is just the mountain one. As you can see, has a very pretty picture of a mountain and some stars. And then this is the sea one, which kind of has that really cute wave. And I got it in this really pretty silver chain bracelet that just has a clasp that you can unhook and hook back together. And they have a ton of different metals that you can choose from, colors, all different type of bracelets, and even other jewelry that you can use to help connect with your loved ones. It was very easy to set up these bracelets. I just downloaded the Totwoo app, which helps you to connect to your loved one. I just entered in my phone number, and then I entered their phone number, just paired the two bracelets up using Bluetooth, and you were ready to go. So I'm just showing you guys up closely how to connect with your loved one using the bracelets. So all you do is tap on your bracelet and it'll vibrate for a little bit, and then the other one will vibrate and have this really pretty light to let them know that you are thinking about them. But I just think that's a really cute way to connect with your loved ones, because you know, sometimes people are busy. I know I'm someone that's very busy and I'm not always around my phone. I don't usually like phone calls. So if you do just want someone to know that you're thinking of them, these are a great way to go. I personally think these bracelets are great to use, especially if you are traveling yourself. Let's say I'm going on a trip in a couple of weeks. I'll probably give one of these to my sister, who also has my niece, and I would just have them hold on to it while I am away. So in case I can't FaceTime my niece, or, you know, see my sister or message her or call her, she can just double tap this and I'll know that my niece wants to interact with me, and vice versa, to let them know that I am thinking of them. So I just think that's a really cute idea, that there's so many ways around this product that you can express your feelings. Like I said, whether it's friends, partners, parents, children, nieces, nephews, unlimited sharing of your love. So I highly recommend these bracelets. I am going to definitely be carrying them with me all the time. You know, I'm not in a relationship right now, but if I ever do get into one, I would definitely recommend this as, like, you know, a little anniversary gift would be cute, or even just someone's birthday or Valentine's Day. I think that's a great idea. Like I said, they come in tons of different colors and metals and designs, and this is just how this one looks. It definitely matches my type of jewelry. I am a silver type of girl, but yeah, highly recommend checking out Totwoo's website. And of course, I have a little gift for you guys. I have a coupon code so you can save 10% off on your order, which I will link up here. It is just CHEYE 10. So I'll definitely have it linked down below in the description box, as well as Totwoo's website and also the bracelets that I specifically chose out. But of course, you can browse their website to see which other designs you prefer. And I highly recommend them as any type of gift, or just, you know, to connect with those loved ones. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.